Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking you to one of the coolest campgrounds I've come across in Croatia. It's called Camping Arena Stoja, and it's right near the city of Pula. This place is tucked away on a quiet little peninsula, just about 2 miles from the old town. Super peaceful, tons of trees, and that chill beach vibe you're probably looking for. They've got pretty much everything on site. 3 bars, one's right by the water, which is perfect for sunset drinks, a restaurant with local food, and if you're into activities, this place has a lot going on. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to see more relaxing travel vlogs. See you in the next adventure.